Okay, so this kit's all dry now, and let's go over our colors real quick. I used the denim blue for this, and then I, for the first time, used the tan, and I didn't have this bottle at the time. I only had this box of the powder, and I mixed up the whole thing with my glass, and it did not show up near as well as I had hoped it would. So I am going to be doing a little bit more experimenting. I did go buy some more of the tan, so I'm going to mix more of it up because I really want that light tan color. This went a little darker than I wanted, but you know, you never do get to choose. And then I put dark brown in this kit and just a smidge of purple. All RIT dyes, of course. So let's go ahead and do a flip through here. This is an aspen leaf. It's pretty much the same leaves I generally use. And you know, you're probably wondering, as I ask myself at times, why don't I use a bigger variety of botanicals? For one, I only have so much stuff available to me. And for two, I get very nervous about pulling from branches. I generally stick to trees just because I don't want to end up messing with something poisonous. So it's pretty much the same kind of stuff that I've been using. I think that this kit would really benefit from some coffee staining as well, but I'm going to just go ahead and flip through it raw with you real quick so that you can take a peek. Here we go.